Hi, I'm Sachi and I'm going to help you build your own personalized makeup kit using some of my favorite products that are sure to become absolute staples in your makeup collection as well. This kit is especially great for beginners because it has everything from skin prep to a finishing spray, and I'm going to use it to build 3 simple, versatile and genuinely beautiful makeup looks today. This video is in collaboration with Flipkart Beauty, which is my go-to online portal to buy all my makeup essentials, as they sell the most genuine beauty brands and have a host of beauty products to choose from. It's time to not only feel good on the inside but look great on the outside too. If you want your skin to truly glow, then it's important to prepare it with the right skincare products and then move on to makeup application. Always start with a freshly washed face. I'll be going in with the Face Shop Cleansing Lotion that melts away any stubborn makeup that may have been left behind from the night before while cleansing and nourishing at the same time. Next, I'll be going in with the Innisfree Jeju Pomegranate Revitalizing Skin Toner. This not only restores the pH balance of my skin, but also evens out my skin tone considerably. Make rose water a staple in your skincare routine. I'll be using the Kama Ayurveda Rose Water Mist to hydrate my skin. All that skin prep is going to leave your skin glowing and healthy from within. So go in with a light layer of foundation to even out any discoloration. I'll be using the Maybelline New York Superstay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation, as this is not only long-lasting but has great coverage. If you've been blessed with good skin, you can stop right here. But I'll be going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer to cover up my dark circles. Use a concealer that's an exact shade match to your foundation and spot conceal any bothersome blemishes or pesky pimples. Beat the heat by locking in the flawless base you've achieved using a compact or loose powder. The L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Press Powder is a staple in my makeup bag that instantly mattifies my face without making it look cakey. Well-defined cheekbones are all the rage right now. The next product in my makeup kit, Maybelline New York Face Studio Master Contour, is yet another travel essential that has got my contour, blush and highlight covered in just one palette. Apply your contour or bronzer in the shape of the number 3, starting from your temples, under your cheekbones and down to the jawline. Don't load up on the blush, just add a hint to the apples of your cheeks for a natural tint. Matching your eyeshadow to your contour is going to give you a godly glow. From the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, use a light brown eyeshadow to contour your crease. Your highlighter can be used as an eyeshadow as well. Just add a little to your inner corner and this will instantly brighten up your look and make your eyes appear larger. If there's one makeup product I just can't do without, it's the Maybelline New York Volume Express Colossal Mascara. Just skip eyeliner for this neutral daytime look and opt for long voluminous lashes instead. Apply a few layers of mascara, but give your lashes ample drying time in between to give the illusion of thicker lashes. I need a smooth, pigmented and long-lasting lipstick to take me through my long work days. And the Lakme Matte Melt lipstick gives me just that. It's matte, easy to apply and comes in a variety of complementing shades. Apply a generous amount of lip balm before a matte lipstick to hydrate your lips and prevent chapping. All the work you've just done is going to melt right off if you don't use a fixing mist to lock it in. The LA Girl Pro HD Setting Spray is my go-to fixer for those humid days, and it keeps my makeup in place all day long. All you need is these 7 simple steps to put together your signature look that's perfect for college, work or any daytime event. Switching up your lipstick can completely transform your makeup look, so be bold and be colorful. Skip your everyday nude and go in with a rich red or tangerine shade like this Lakme Matte Melt lipstick instead. There's no better way to brighten up a gloomy day than a beautiful pop of color on the lip. Red lips and glowing skin are a fail-proof combo. So if you're a highlighter fiend like me, there's no better time to go overboard. Perfect for Sunday brunch or a day out with the girls, wear your brightest shade and head out the door. Gold eyeshadow screams extravagant yet elegant, so I love incorporating it into my evening makeup looks. The Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette has the perfect combination of colors for a seamless transition from a day to a nighttime look. I'm adding a black shadow to the outer corner for depth and a vibrant gold to the center of my lid for an intense impact. A thin feline flick using the Maybelline Colossal Eyeliner in a rich black color is all I need to finish off this look. So there you go. Everything you need to create your favorite makeup look is right here. So start building your makeup kit and experimenting with these amazing products now. Flipkart Beauty is my one-stop shop for all things beauty, and we here at Glamorous turn to it for our makeup, skincare and hair essentials. The links to each product have been placed in the description below. We hope you enjoyed these 3 looks, and if you decide to recreate any of these genuinely beautiful looks, do let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.